guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and today I'm here at the Buckley Public Market at our shop. If you're new to our channel, please hit that like button and subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you for watching. We're sorry we didn't upload a video earlier. We were very busy. In fact, we're in the middle of moving to another spot. See, what's going to be different about the other spot is that instead of this table, we're going to have shelves. So all of our products will be on shelves, and you won't have to reach that far back anymore. And we might still have this artwork shelf. We don't know yet. And we might still have this with the gift boxes. But as far as everything else goes, we're going to have shelves and not tables.
Okay, so where are we going to move?
We're going to move all the way over there.
Should we go walk around and
next to
show
the people who sell the signs?
Oh yeah, show what's going on around here.
Okay, so
we have
a new vendor here. She sells embroidered items like these pouches and coasters.
And those little trees there.
And these trees.
Okay, so let's look around. This spot is empty right now, but there are some people there. Today's Wednesday, so people are kind of closed. They don't come here every day. We have our friend is close today. She has really cool stuff.
Yeah,
I can't show you today, but someday when we do another one of those. And this is our friend Linda's not here, but she has some really cool stuff.
She has some very nice coats right here.
Yeah, she has
some pretty cool t-shirts that say Buckley on them.
Yeah.
And
yeah, those are really cool. Just really nice stuff here. And then she's not here today either, like I said before. It's Wednesday. Usually Wednesday, not a lot of people are here. And this is Jackie. Jackie's
she has some pretty cool jewelry.
Yeah, they're only $5. But this is our spot. We're going to be right here. And this is a lot longer on the side over here, if it doesn't look like by just looking at it. But it is a little bit bigger.
It's a lot larger this way and this way too.
Plus we're going to have walls over here on this side, and they're building another wall over here. And they're painting the walls today too.
Yep.
And I'm just gonna show you what's over here. You see the place where we are. If you live really close to us in Buckley or Sumner or Bunny Lake, Puyallup area, you should come and check this out. These are all independently owned booths over here by artists and artisan people. Like this is my friend's Jackie's spot. She makes mosaics. I love her stuff. She's very talented. She also sells some vintage stuff, as you can see over here. She made those little campers over here. She mosaiced them. And this is her new Christmas tree there. And she has all these mosaics over here. She all made them. They're all handmade, all artistically made by Jackie, my friend Jackie. And let's see, and that is, we have Kim and Craig over here. They sell all kinds of cool trinkets, knives, all kinds of good stuff. And today is very quiet, but we have those beautiful Christmas trees over here. And we have Santa coming every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you live in the area, come and visit us. It's pretty festive. We have Kelly's pawn shop in there. It's closed up. And then we have Julie that does the coffee shop. She has best coffee here. And that's what is about it. And this is really cool. We have this guy that makes this really cool furniture. This is all handmade. Very beautifully crafted. Handcrafted. Really nice stuff. And then Gracie's not here today either, but she has a lot of jewelry, a lot of cool stuff too. And we have a new thing now. We have, this is really cool. It's called 7 Cents, and it's a massage chair in here that you can come and have like 5-10 minutes massage. And Kelsey did try it, right, Kelsey?
Yeah, and it undid a knot in my back, and now I don't have back pain.
I know, that was pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here we go. It's right here. Very, very cool stuff. And I didn't try it yet, but I want to. Then we have another vendor over here with antique stuff. A lot of cool antique things. And this is another vendor. Let's look at their cards. RNS Enterprise. Right here. And they make crochet stuff. They have a little bit of soap stuff. Is a melt and pour soap they make. Not a lot like us, but this lady is very talented. She has some beautiful crochet work, beautiful stuff. And I just wanted to show you guys where we are, the old place, not just my little shop. And just apologize for not making any videos right now because we're in the middle of moving. In fact, my place is a kind of messy place right now. Right over here too. We have a shelf and everything, but we are gonna make a medium. We're gonna make another video pretty soon, a shopping video. Okay, I hope you like this. All right, Kelsey.
All right. See you here, and see you in the next video. Bye.